In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your PayPal account identifier and view linked bank accounts and cards on your iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone and open the PayPal app. Make sure you're signed into the correct account and that your app is up to date so the menus look and behave as expected. From the main screen, look to the top right corner and tap your profile icon. If you don't see a photo, you'll see your initial in a circle. Tap that instead. This opens your account settings. Next, choose Contact Info. At the very top of this page, you'll see the email address associated with your PayPal account. This is your PayPal account identifier, often labeled as your primary email. PayPal uses your email, not a traditional bank-style account number, to identify your account. This is the address people can use to send you money through PayPal, and it's the one you'll typically provide when a merchant or a service asks for your PayPal account details. If you have more than one email on file, the one marked as primary is the main point of contact for receiving payments and important notifications. Now, let's look at the funding sources connected to your PayPal. Go back to the home screen in the app, then tap Wallet at the bottom right. Inside Wallet, tap Bank Accounts and Cards. Here you'll see any bank accounts and debit or credit cards you've linked to your PayPal account. You'll notice PayPal shows only partial details, such as the last few digits of a card or bank account for security. These linked accounts are what you use to add funds, pay for purchases, or withdraw money, but they are not a PayPal account number. They're simply payment methods tied to your PayPal profile. It's important to remember that PayPal doesn't issue a traditional account number like a bank. If someone asks for your PayPal account number, what they're really looking for is the email address you just saw under Contact Info. Only share that email with trusted parties and never reveal your password, security codes, or full card or bank details. If something looks different on your screen, don't worry. App layouts can vary slightly by region and version. Updating the app usually brings the menus back in line. And if a bank or card you expect to see is missing, double check you're signed into the right PayPal account. That's it. You now know where to find your PayPal account identifier and how to view linked banks and cards on your iPhone.